If you can use ChatGPT, like you know how to make use of ChatGPT, then you can start making nothing less than 5 million naira every single month using just your mobile phone. I'm going to explain everything for you right now. So the first thing you are going to do is to open ChatGPT and tell it to send you a list of true life events that has happened in the past related to past psychopaths, criminals, like generally unusual events that happened after the 18th century. It might actually be that depend on how you want your videos to be. Then you go through the list and you pick the best ideas, the best story, and you paste this story on ChatGPT and tell it to actually break it down into different scenes and send you prompts for each scenes. Then after it does that, you take these prompts to AI tools like the Gen AI or Kling AI, and you actually make use of these prompts to generate different scenes for the video you want to make. Then you take all these clips over to CapCut, you add everything together, and now you have successfully created a short animated movie based on a true life story. YouTube currently pays between $1.5 to $5 for every 1,000 views. So if you start posting this type of video at least twice on your YouTube channel, you should be able to grow fast enough, get monetized, and start making good money from YouTube. So if you're able to start posting these videos at least 2 times every single day, you should be making nothing less than 3, 4, 5K every single month. This simple strategy that I just explained to you right now made me over 12K on one single YouTube channel last month. This might sound complex to you, but trust me, it is very easy. Basically the best thing I have ever ventured into. I have taken my time to actually create a full YouTube video breaking down every single thing, how you can start generating these ideas and turning them into stunning and realistic animated videos that you can start posting on your Faceless channel to draw attention and start making money. The tutorial video contains basically everything you need to know: how to access these AI tools to generate these videos and how to perfectly make use of them. If you want me to send you this tutorial video, just comment tutorial in the comment section. Make sure you are following me and I will send the video right to your DM. Follow me for more.
In the late 1800s, visitors arrived in Chicago hoping to experience the excitement of the famous World's Columbian Exposition. But hidden in the city was a building filled with secret passages, trapdoors, and rooms designed for death. It was known as the Murder Castle. The man behind the building was H.H. Holmes, a charming doctor, businessman, and one of America's earliest known serial killers. To the public, he seemed polite, intelligent, and successful. In the early 1890s, Holmes began constructing a strange hotel in Chicago. Workers were frequently hired and suddenly fired, ensuring no one understood the building's full design. The inside of the building was unlike anything anyone had ever seen. There were secret hallways, hidden doors, soundproof rooms, gas chambers, and staircases that led nowhere. As thousands of visitors arrived for the World's Fair, many checked into Holmes' hotel. Most never suspected that the friendly owner was watching them closely. One by one, guests began to disappear. Some were young women who had come to the city searching for work. Others were travelers who simply vanished without explanation. Holmes used the building's hidden traps to control his victims. Some rooms could be filled with gas. Others led victims through hidden chutes into the basement. In the basement, investigators later discovered tools, chemicals, and equipment used to destroy evidence. Holmes even sold skeletons to medical schools. Eventually, suspicious reports and missing persons began to attract attention.
The implications of
Detectives started investigating Holmes and the strange building. When police finally searched the building, they uncovered the terrifying truth.
stable.
The hotel was not just a place to stay, it was a carefully designed trap. In 1894, Holmes was arrested. The investigation revealed a shocking series of crimes that stunned the entire country. The so-called Murder Castle was eventually destroyed, but the terrifying story of H.H. Holmes remains one of the darkest chapters in true crime history. Was Holmes truly the mastermind of a deadly castle? Or did the legend grow darker over time? Even today, the story of the Murder Castle continues to haunt true crime history.